Hi everybody. 22 years ago we met Salah in Gaza when we were there on vacation. It was before the second intifada because now it's not possible to visit Gaza anymore. We have had contact with Salah for over 22 years now. We stayed in touch and he has built a company.
But everyone has seen the horrible images from Gaza with all the destruction of the bombing recently, and unfortunately we heard that Salah has now also lost almost everything he has built up. His house has been destroyed, his car, but also the building which housed his company. So everything there has been destroyed, which now means that not only he but also 15 families that were employed by him have lost their income.
So this is why we have started this crowdfunding together with Salah to help him start his company again so that 15 families will have an income again.
So please watch the rest of this video which we made together with Salah, in which he will also tell you his story.
Hi, my name is Salah. I'm the CEO and founder of a company called WECAN.
كبريه ليش؟
لكن حلوه الموقع
حلوه بجمع
العفو طيب
خلاص الله يخليكم والله مرتبين لا نفس الدوزة
This is some scenes of the Gaza war destruction on WECAN company headquarters. The company, memories and furniture. This is the printer. Everything is destructed. Everything is damaged. Laptops, IT equipment, chairs, discs. They kill our hope, they kill our dream. We hope that we can stand up again. The war in Gaza destroyed our dreams, our memories. More than 15 families lost their hope. They are my responsibility to take care of them. I have to start up again with hope that I can do something for them, as I consider them as my family. Would you help us and support us to stand up again, to forget the horrible moments, to go over our wounds and look forward for better future and better life?